Parkinson's disease is a progressive disorder of the nervous system. It affects several regions of the brain, especially an area called the substantia nigra, which controls balance and movement. Parkinson's disease affects more than 4 million people worldwide. In the US, 60,000 new cases are identified each year, and 1 in 350 adults have Parkinson's in the UK. The risk of developing Parkinson's disease increases with age, and because more people are living longer, the numbers of people with Parkinson's disease is expected to increase. The three main symptoms of Parkinson's disease are involuntary shaking of particular parts of the body, slow movement, and stiff and inflexible muscles. Other physical and psychological symptoms can occur, including depression, anxiety, balance problems, loss of smell, sleeping problems, and memory problems. Although Parkinson's disease can run in a family, most of the time it doesn't. Only 15% of people with the disease have a family history of it. Familial cases of Parkinson's disease can be caused by mutations in the LRRK2, PARK7, PINK1, PRKN or SNCA gene, or by alterations in genes that have not been identified. Mutations in some of these genes may also play a role in cases that are not inherited. Alterations in certain genes, including GBA and UCHL1, do not cause Parkinson's disease, but appear to modify the risk of developing the condition. Many Parkinson's disease symptoms occur when neurons in the substantia nigra die or become impaired. Normally these cells produce dopamine, which transmits signals within the brain to produce smooth physical movements. So when these neurons become damaged or die, communication between the brain and muscles weakens. Eventually, the brain becomes unable to control muscle movement. Some gene mutations appear to disturb the breaking down of unwanted proteins in dopamine-producing neurons. This leads to an accumulation of these unwanted proteins and the eventual death of the neuron. Other mutations may affect the function of mitochondria. As a byproduct of energy production, mitochondria make unstable molecules called free radicals. Free radicals can damage cells. However, usually cells counteract the effects of free radicals before they cause any damage, but mutations can disrupt this process. As a result, free radicals may accumulate and kill dopamine-producing neurons. In most cases of Parkinson's disease, protein deposits called Lewy bodies appear in dead or dying neurons. It is unclear whether Lewy bodies play a role in killing neurons, or if they are part of the cell's response to the disease. It affects several regions of the brain, especially an area called the substantia nigra. I want to find. No. Stop a second. Can we find out how you pronounce that? Stop. James.